I hope that you are doing well. It is currently Monday and I'm happy to say that it's 10 o'clock in the morning, which the reason I'm so happy to say that is because it's so hard for me to sleep in, and today I'm so happy that I literally have nothing. I don't have anything on my calendar. I do have a to-do list of things that I want to do today. Or I'll just want to have a really nice, relaxing day off and just do like a couple of tasks. I really would like to go to a coffee shop perhaps, or a bookstore to go read and journal out. And that's officially the first day of fall break. I don't have any homework to do, and I don't have a lot of other projects. I don't have any videos to edit. So I'm like, I'd really love to go to a coffee shop. There's also this really cute tea shop in my town that I would like to go to. I just want to start the morning by doing some morning pages. Last week I really did not do very well at journaling. I probably only journaled 2 or 3 times, which usually, as I say, like I like to journal every day if I can. I really want to talk about what I want to do today, you know, what I want to get out of it. I'm going to journal and also of course turn on a little bit of ambiance music just to get my morning started. Letting my skin dry right now after I wash my face before I do the rest of my skincare. I just remembered that I need to make a new sourdough loaf, so I fed it last night, so I'm hoping that my starter is active this morning so I can make a new loaf. So after I finish my skincare, I'm going to go check and see if she's ready, and if she's ready then I'll start making that this morning before I do my makeup. Finished my breakfast. It was seriously so good. All of the toppings mixed together, like the pistachio butter with the cranberry, so delicious. And Ariana this morning has an interview magazine release with Nicole Kidman. Look how cute she is. Oh, I love her so much. So I'm just gonna sit here. I have some ambiance music playing and I'm going to read this. My makeup is done here, so now we can plan my outfit for today. Okay, I checked the weather and it's in the 50s, but it's raining, so it's gonna be chilly outside. So I think I'm gonna wear pants today. I think I'm gonna do these birch good trousers that I have. I've worn these a couple times that I've showed you. They're just really comfy and cozy, but they're still really chic and stylish, so I'll wear that. Okay, to spice up the outfit, I decided I'm gonna wear this cute cardigan that I have, and then I'm gonna pop on a cozy jacket on top to make it super cute and girly and make me still feel adorable. And then I'm going to wear my little white Mary Janes. Alright angels, this is my outfit for my cozy day off. I'm just going to pop on the nice fur jacket. I got this from TJ Maxx when I was in high school, so it's very, very old. And then this top I thrifted, and these are also thrifted from Depop, and the shoes are also thrifted. Love. And then I just popped on a cute little pink headband, and then I have this necklace from Swarovski, just some simple faux pearl earrings, and my little Love Shack Fancy pearl bracelet. Then I have my Kate Spade bag, which has my laptop, iPad, magazines, books, journals in here, so we can have lots of things to do at the coffee shop. So I'm going to head there for a few hours, and then whenever I decide I want to leave, there's also some other cute shops around. There's a cute little bookstore which I'll probably visit, and other little shops. It'll be really nice because they're probably all decorated for Christmas and Thanksgiving, so I'll go look at those. This is my outfit, very cute. So I'm going to go head to the coffee shop, and I will see you guys there. I just did some work at this tea shop. It's so cute. They literally have hundreds of different tea selections. I ended up going, I can't remember exactly what the tea is called, an oolong tea that has rose in it. It's so delicious. I just got a little cup to go, and then I just stopped in the bookstore that was across the street, and it was so cute. I just looked at a couple of different books, didn't buy anything, so I'm going to head home now, and we can make a little either late lunch or dinner. I'm not sure yet. All right, it is later. I just got home. It's currently 4 o'clock, and I'm having a very late lunch, but I just heated up in one of my other videos I talked about that I made this little pumpkin roast bowl. So it has roasted pumpkin with quinoa and beans, and then I added some cottage cheese on top as well as some honey just for a little extra protein, and the honey just to add a little something sweet. So I'm gonna enjoy this for my lunch, watch some more of the Great British Baking Show holiday episodes that just came out, and then I'm gonna go head to the gym, walk on the track, and read my book, as well as do a little workout. So I will see you guys after I get back from the gym. Good evening, angels. Tonight I'm gonna sit on the floor. I always love sitting on the floor and watching a movie when my friends come over, so I was like, why don't I just do that now? And also I feel like it's a little bit cleaner to eat than eating on the couch. I just made some spring rolls. They're not as cute because the rice paper was a little cracked because they were like the last of my rice paper, so they were the ones I'd been avoiding. So they're definitely not super pretty. I have some tuna in there, avocado, cucumber, and sweet potatoes. I'm super excited. Then I just made a little peanut Thai sauce, and then I also just brewed a little bit of some alpine berry tea here, and I'm just gonna enjoy my spread. I'm currently watching an Olivia Dean interview right now while I was making the spring rolls, but I think now I'm gonna turn on a movie. I'm not sure what movie I'm gonna turn on yet, but I'll probably browse Netflix and see if there's anything good to watch. Okay, I just finished my dinner. So delicious. Yummy. I'm watching the Sister Act, which I've never seen before, but if you know, you know, the SNL skit that Ariana did in like, what was that, like 2016, 2017? So funny. I'm in the mood to bake something. So I think that I might make some banana bread, and then I'm going home tomorrow so I can take it back for my family. I also need to shape my sourdough because it's been around 8 hours since I let it bulk ferment, so it'll be ready to shape and cold proof in the fridge overnight to be baked tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna do that first, and then we can maybe bake banana bread. Alright, Angels, I finished the Sister Act. It was actually really good. I liked it a lot. I gave it 5 stars on Letterboxd because I just thought it was funny and like a really good story. But now I'm just sitting on the couch. I'm watching Sleepless in Seattle, and I made some chocolate banana bread, which I'm so happy about because I've been really craving banana bread. I've also been really craving like brownies and chocolate cake. So I just made some banana bread and made some sourdough discard, oat flour, applesauce. I didn't have any eggs left, so I did use applesauce because sometimes that can be a good egg substitute, and I think that's all like the main changes. And then I just added some cocoa powder, and then I had a little bit of chocolate chips left, so I just added those, and then I topped it off with a little bit of grass-fed butter and some of my cranberry jam. So I'm just going to finish my tea and watch the movie as I enjoy my dessert. Oh my goodness, that chocolate banana bread seriously tasted so good. It literally tasted like chocolate cake. It was so rich and delicious. I didn't have a lot of chocolate chips left, so I was shocked by how chocolatey it still tasted. I guess the cocoa powder just really made it taste super chocolatey, but it was really, really, really delicious and a super easy recipe. But now I'm going to get tucked in bed, and I'm going to read a little bit of my magazine to try to catch up, as well as my book, Be Not Afraid of Love. I'm about 60% done. I was able to read a chapter while I was walking on the track earlier, which was really nice. But that is going to be the end of this little video. I just wanted to take you through a day of my first day off that I've had in so long, so I just wanted to take you along. Really had fun going to the tea shop and trying a new tea, and then going to the bookstore and walking around, and then coming home and baking and making dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys very soon.